Thank you, ma'am. Don't you feel at every night the suffocation due to the absence of natural light? Our future will indeed be very bright, but only if the climate is right. Yeah, the global warming might be near, but the climate change is already here. There are a lot of things that we cannot resist, just like our lovely earth that we will miss. A very warm and kind greetings to you all present here. Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, different level in charges, respected teaching and non-teaching staff, my dear juniors and my fellow classmates. Thank you all for having me today on this very auspicious celebration of World Environment Day 2024 in our school, Nagarjuna Valley Academy. I, Yursa Gurung from Standard 10, feel extremely honored to have this opportunity to be able to address one of the most pressing issues of our time, the climate change. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It is rather the reality that is impacting each and every aspect of our lives. Climate change is the issue that is impacting the whole worldwide. To put it simply, climate change can be defined as long-term change in the weather pattern over an extended period of time, typically from decade to million of years. For example, we can take this scorching heat of summer or the unusual rainfall that we are facing nowadays. People are suffering, people are dying out there, our entire ecosystem is collapsing. And this is just the beginning of our mass extinction. Climate change is the effect of human activities on our planet Earth. To be more specific, industrial activities. But today, rather than talking about the reasons behind climate change, I would like to address the devastating effects of climate change so that you guys can understand the depth of situation that we are currently in, which is slowly leading us towards our own destruction. Rising temperature. The global surface temperature is rising along with the greenhouse gas concentration. The hottest decade ever recorded is from 2011 to 2022. That is more recent. There are more hotter days and heat waves now than there was ever. The Arctic is melting twice as quickly than the other locations, leading to severe storms. Water supply is changing due to climate change and is becoming more and more limited nowadays. Many people are dying out there due to climate change. You might see climate change as a mere issue, but it is a global issue that requires a global solution. Climate change is driven by the combination of natural and human-induced factors such as deforestation, greenhouse gas emission, use of transportation, use of different kinds of energy, waste management and other natural factors. But amidst these challenges lies an opportunity to rethink how we live, an opportunity to rethink how we use this energy, and an opportunity to rethink how we manage our resources, transitioning into natural and renewable sources of energy such as solar and wind, investing in energy efficiency and using more sustainable agricultural practices will surely help us to foster our development. It will also help to reduce climate change, fostering economic growth and creating more employment opportunities. Not only mine, not only yours. In this case, each and every individual's action matter. Simple changes in our daily life such as reducing energy consumption, managing the wastage properly, promoting the sustainable products and advocating for the policies that protect our environment can collectively make a significant difference. Thus, we all should be together by now and help to reduce climate change. Climate change is not a mere issue that you can just underlook. We need to be careful about it, otherwise we won't be able to look at the earth as the way it was before. Just to compare, when we were not present on earth, the earth used to be so beautiful. There were so many natural resources, and now, due to us, it is getting destroyed. As being the most intellectual creatures of earth, it is our responsibility to protect earth. And climate change is one of the major factors that is affecting the earth from developing higher and higher. In today's era, I would just like to say that climate change will help us in nothing. Climate change might be advantageous in some ways, but climate change is more disadvantageous than advantageous. So let us come together and build our mother nature. Let us make it in perfect structure. Let us bring it back to how it used to be. And work together to form an earth that will be heaven for us. By saying this much, and at last but not least, by wishing you all a happy Environment Day, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.